Today I'll be comparing the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation and the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. Trust me, I know that both versions of the AirPods 4 look the same, but there are a bunch of differences that we're going to look into. First, let's start off with the price. So the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation, that costs $129, while the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation, that costs $179. So $50 extra, and you'll get active noise cancellation and other features with that, which I'll get into later on in this video, so you see exactly why it is a $50 difference when it comes on to the higher end version. Both versions of the AirPods 4 comes with the H2 chip, which makes it more efficient in connection and also battery life. On the higher end version of the AirPods 4 comes with adaptive audio, active noise cancellation, and also transparency mode. These are not new features when it comes on to Apple, because we've seen them in the AirPods Pro 2 already, but to see them on a cheaper version of the AirPods is really good. Also, on the higher end version of the AirPods 4, you also get conversation awareness, which is another feature that we've seen on the AirPods Pro 2 also. Both versions of the AirPods 4 comes with personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. On screen are some other audio features that comes with the AirPods 4. Both versions of the AirPods 4 have a force sensor, which lets you press once to pause or play media. You can also answer a call, mute or unmute when you press once. You can press twice to end a call and press twice to also skip an audio or a media. And you can also press 3 times to go back whenever you're listening to an audio. When you press and hold, you'll activate Siri. You can also just say, "Hey Siri," to activate Siri if you want. You also get Siri interactions, which lets you nod to answer or decline the call. When it comes on to battery life, both versions of the AirPods 4 comes with up to 5 hours of listening time with just one charge. You also get an addition 30 hours of listening time with a charging case. So in total, you get like 35 hours of listening time if you include the charging case. Speaking of the case, here's where the first major difference is. On the higher end version of the AirPods 4 case, it has wireless charging. You can also charge it with a USB-C cable, an Apple Watch charger, and any QI certified charger. You also get a speaker on this case for Find My. But on the lower end version of the AirPods 4, you don't get any of these features. You only get to charge a case with a USB-C cable. Both versions of the AirPods 4 has dust, water, and sweat resistant, which is rated at IP54. And as usual, you can use Siri with these AirPods. They will switch automatically between all your Apple devices, and if you order them directly from Apple, you can get personalized engraving. On screen are all the sensors that comes with the AirPods 4 for both versions. So you have an optical in-ear sensor, a motion and a speech sensor, and also a force sensor. For the microphone, they both have dual beam-forming microphones and inward-facing microphones. So both versions of the AirPods 4 should sound pretty much the same. On screen are the dimension for both versions of the AirPods 4. As you can see, everything is the same except for the weight. The AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation is slightly heavier than the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. And that's because one of them has a speaker in the case, and it has different ways you can charge it. You can charge it with the Apple Watch, and you can charge it with the QI certified chargers. That is why one of the cases are slightly heavier than one, but everything else is pretty much the same. Both versions of the AirPods 4 comes with Bluetooth 5.3, so connectivity should be really good. Inside the box, you should expect the AirPods, the charging case, and some documents, and that's pretty much it. The charger and the charging cable is sold separately, and I believe Apple is doing this to preserve the environment. In terms of how they look physically, I don't see much of a difference. The only difference is that one case has a speaker which is visible and the other one doesn't have any speaker. So there you have it, the full comparison between the AirPods 4 with the ANC and the AirPods 4 without the ANC. Let me know which version of the AirPods 4 you will be getting down below in the comment section. I'll be getting my hands on both versions of the AirPods 4, so subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And also, we're almost at 5,000 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of September, so subscribe if you aren't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. I don't know, but this new version of the AirPods 4 with ANC kind of feel like a cheaper version of the AirPods Pro 2.